Candy Cheyenne, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a get ready with me because I have a bridal shower and church that I'm going to this morning. So yeah, I'm super excited. I've never done a get ready with me before, so yeah, and we're going to do a little chit chat too. So yeah, let's get into it. First we're going to put my hair back so I don't mess nothing up. Take my nose ring out. But yeah, first I'm just starting off with primer. I know y'all know by now, but yes, she is definitely worth the hype. Like, this is the best primer ever. Yeah, best primer ever. And my face gets really sweaty or oily. It gets whatever it gets. So I always like set my eyebrows first, just so the product goes on better. Yeah, it takes me a little while to do my eyebrows. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows and then I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna spill all the powder on myself. Great. Okay, anyways, what I was gonna say. Just finished my eyebrows. Cute, period. And yeah, the other day, I don't normally wear foundation when I do my makeup, but the other day I wore it, and yeah, I'm definitely gonna be a foundation girly now because I get it now. Like, I really didn't get foundation before, but it changed the whole makeup look. Like, it made it look so seamless. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna be doing foundation. It's too cute. Yeah, but what's up with me, y'all? I have been in Atlanta for 3 months. Like, I've been here all my life, but I've been here for 3 months straight, like no traveling. Like, I am a traveler. Like, normally by now, like, I would have gone like probably to 2 places, but at least 1 place. But that is not the case this year. And it's kind of driving me crazy, low-key, because I need a change of scenery. Like, I need a change of scenery, and I just need a break. Like, I'm not feeling burnt out, like, yet, or hopefully never. Hopefully I don't feel burnt out. I don't want to say yet. But I'm not feeling burnt out right now. But it's like, I just need a break. Like, it's like school, real estate, lashes, homework. Like, it's just like, I haven't had a break. I haven't had a break since Christmas break. And it just feels like, I don't know, I just need to see something else. I want to relax. But unfortunately, it's just not my season, like, to be doing that. And it sucks, but it's like, that's just what it is right now. Because cute. Okay, hold up. So yeah, now we're gonna go on with our concealer. I use Toffee and I use LA Girl Pro. Y'all know what this is, LA Girl Pro Concealer. But what I was saying was, like, financially, it's like I truly could, but I got into an accident, so it's like and I have to, like, get all my car stuff done. Like, they have to fix it. I have a rental. Like, all of that is costing. So it's like I don't even really feel comfortable, like, just spending money on a vacation, like, having all of that going on, especially when I don't even know the final prices of everything. So it's like I don't feel comfortable just, like, I don't want to spend, like, I just don't feel like spending right now. Like, that's just not what I'm trying to do. But what's crazy is, I'm like, you know, I could take a day trip or something, like, cheaper, but I can't even do that because it's like my week is filled with clients, real estate, school. My weekends are filled with clients, and by clients I mean my lash clients. My weekends are filled with, like, real estate, all the homework assignments, and then it's like a few, and just other responsibilities, and then I get like a few hours to, you know, like try to enjoy the weekend. But it's like every day I have responsibilities. Like that is so exhausting. It's just exhausting. Like every day I have to wake up early and like I'm responsible for things. Like I have to turn things in, I have to talk to people. Like it's just like your girl needs a break. Like it's been that for 3 months straight. So yeah, that's just on my mind, especially because I just had spring break and my spring break did not give spring break. It literally gave like work. I just was working the whole spring break. So it's like I got to sleep in, but it's like I didn't get to do anything like too relaxing. Like I didn't really do anything relaxing, honestly. Like literally before spring break began, that weekend I got into my accident. So it's like I was like, I don't really feel like doing too much. Like I gotta, you know, handle some other business right now. But yeah, that's it. I'm just, your girl is just tired. But I know, like, one, I do know it's just a season. Like I'm definitely, it's not like I'm never gonna be traveling again, so I'm not too worried about it. But your girl does need a break, so I might just have to do like a day. Like I might have to really just find a day where, I don't know, like I can just drive to Savannah or something. Like something simple, something chill, something to see something different. Because it's not it. It's not it at all. Cool. Got that done. I'm gonna go in with this and my powder. But yeah, that's just that right now. I just need to get that off my chest because I am feeling some type of way. Oh, that's what I was gonna say. It's just louder that I'm not going nowhere because for the past like 2-3 weeks, everyone has been in Jamaica and in Miami, and I'm just in my room, like doing work, not on nobody's yacht getting lit. So but I guess that's adulting. You can't have fun all the time, or even sometimes when you want to. But yeah, but like I'm sure all of that kind of sounded dramatic. Like my life is still, you know, like I find fun stuff to do throughout the week to keep myself, you know, motivated. Like the other day, and by the other day I mean yesterday I probably had one of the best days I've had in a while, because I went out with my little sisters. I am like significantly older than my sisters. Like I could be their mom, or I could, but like when I be out, people be thinking I'm their mom. But we went skating and we went to Chick-fil-A, but it just was so fun. Like it was just so fun. Like they had a blast, I had a blast. Like I haven't skated in I don't know how long. Like everybody, not me, I ain't fall because I ain't doing that, but they was just falling, like just having a fun time. Like it was just so fun to see. And it was especially fun to see because how I grew up, like I basically grew up as an only child. Like me and my siblings, like I'm the oldest, the second oldest, he's 12 years younger than me. So like yeah, I pretty much grew up like my whole childhood like with no siblings. So it was just fun like watching them interact, because I have one sister and I feel like when I see her, like I see like literally a little me, because like even like down to her attitude, like she's more like to herself. But then I have another sister and she is so funny. She's just like she's just bigger than life. Like I think both of them, like they have their own personalities. But the one that's like me, like she's real chill, laid back. Like if you don't say nothing to her, she's not gonna say nothing to you. But my other sister, she's like she walks into the room, she's talking, she's in your face. Like I love it so much. But what I love the most is like being able to watch them be two completely different people, like together, like seeing their strength, like their strengths play off of each other. Like it was just so cool to see and watch. And it just made me feel like I don't have no kids. I'm not planning on having any soon, but I'm definitely like minimum 2. Like now that I've experienced like being an only child, and I've also seen like siblings, I just feel like if I would have had like, if I would have had one of my little sisters when I was like their age, like I feel like I would have been a lot more adventurous, like more willing to try more things, like it would have really helped develop my personality, because I was just with myself all the time, by myself, to myself. And so yeah, like I spent a lot of my childhood, I feel like, just to myself. Like I didn't really have no, like I had great friends, but it's different like having a sibling, like a built-in best friend that you trust, like that. Like it's just, I love seeing their trust. Like they just trust each other 110%. Like I'm gonna fully be myself. So I just love watching it. I just love seeing it. It makes me so happy to see, because it's just fun seeing them encourage each other and bring each other into their interests, like push each other out of their comfort zones. Like it was just, it really, I feel like it healed a little piece of me, like a little piece of my inner child, for real. But yeah, that was yesterday. Then we went to Chick-fil-A. Like we had a great time. Those girls are so funny. Like they are so funny. Kids are funny. Like the stuff they were saying, I'm just like, y'all are too funny. Too funny. Too funny. But yeah, so I did my contour. I did my nose contour. Y'all see, I just did that. My makeup really be quick though. It really be flying really quick, because we're basically done. And lately I've become a blush girl, so we're gonna go in with our blush. Not too much though. Well, I don't do too much. Cute. We're gonna go in with our highlighter. Setting spray. Low key, I'm on okay timing. Like I definitely need to hurry up and not be running my mouth as much. But yeah. So I'm waiting for my flat iron to heat up so I can refresh my hair. And I already know what jewelry I'm wearing today, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on. I'm wearing the jewelry that I typically wear. Only thing really different is my earrings. I love them. I've been wearing them a lot more lately. Yeah, I definitely feel like I have my signature jewelry pieces. Like, I don't be putting I put more thought in like which earring I'm gonna wear, but not really anything else. Or like, am I putting a watch on today or am I not? Like that's pretty much the depth of my I need to wash my hands again. All right, so I low-key need my comb, but I just don't feel like getting up to go get it, so. Yeah, real simple. Just fresh that. That's an edge, that's an edge. This is a hair. little piece. All laying down, so. Okay. Cool, so this is the hair. Cute, real simple. And now that we're done with this stuff, we can just get dressed. So hold on. I'm gonna be wearing this 2-piece from Pretty Little Thing, super cute. These shoes to match with the purse that matches. And yeah, let me go get dressed. All right. Okay. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. Super cute. Yeah, I love this outfit. I love browns anyway, but I really love this outfit. Y'all see I got the purse, match the shoes. We love the details. And yeah, so of course for church, like I'm gonna close this up and I'm gonna put on a bigger jacket that'll cover up my stomach. You know, make it appropriate, but after church, this the fit. So yes, thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.